Here at Brewster Madrid, we are given a lot of opportunities to connect with universities from all around the world. Last week at our Spring University Fair, we had 23 universities from 9 different countries come to our campus. They led workshops on different topics such as application essays and what careers exist in the business field. We then had the college fair where students from different schools in Madrid and parents came out with us to chat more with the schools to learn more about their offerings and ask questions. It's nice because there are so many opportunities out there that it can sometimes feel overwhelming at first. But by having the chance to speak to different schools in person, we get a better idea about what we want to do after graduation. This helps us feel better prepared for our future. Go Brewster! We can't wait for the 2025 fair.